Radio Groovers. We're heading out for another four-wheel drive experience in the LDV T60 Trailrider 2. This time we're heading towards Lerderderg. We've just passed Diggers Rest. Lerderderg National Park's over there somewhere. And we've got Chris with us. Hi Chris. And we've got Ethan this time, so we're going to have a bit of extra commentary from the little fella. So yeah, we're heading there. Should be there in about 25 minutes going by our GPS. Well guys, we've just arrived at Lerderderg, or on the outskirts. We're just about to head down into there and explore around. What do you say, Ethan?
Prepare to survive.
Prepare to survive.
Oops.
We're going to cruise down, have a look around.
Oh, going down.
We're going to the 4x4 training ground, which I found on the internet, and we're going to go check that out first. Ooh.
You see the road?
And we're going to have a bit of an explore around there. Then we're going to head up to, or down to some of the caravan or camping areas with the rivers. So just have a look at there for the future. Maybe go camping in there. Anyway, good to get outdoors. It's absolutely fantastic outside out here. Here we are, a few more four-wheel drive tracks in the ruts. Just having a bit of a play. Honey's going to hold that while I go up this hill. It's just all about a bit of training. Just taking it easy, not going too hard. Someone's dumped some rubbish here. Not really. So we're in the four-wheel drive training area in the Lerderderg. So we don't know exactly where we're going, but we're just going to have a bit of a look around.
And the roads don't have names.
Yeah, we're not going to do anything too serious, too off-road. We're just going to follow the tracks around. I think there's a river crossing down here as well. So our last video was up at King Lake. It was pretty basic. Now we've gone sort of a bit more than beginner now. Just going to cruise around. Down this track, but we'll soon find out. You can actually turn around on these tracks, which if we need to, we can. This might go all the way around here.
What's in there? I think there are cars there, huh? Yeah.
All the other people doing forward driving, huh? We've got Ethan with us this time. He's in the back just having a look.
Look at that. So there.
Yeah, it's a very nice countryside up here in the Lerderderg. Probably going to get a few scratches on the car today, but you know, it is what it is. Huh?
Oh, look at that tree, huh? You can go through that.
No, I'm a bit worried about these low points here.
And you will not know if it's deep or not.
Yeah, it's a bit hard to tell whether it's deep or not. But at the Lerderderg Park with the other forward drivers out and about. How you going, gents? We got an old mate here just doing his going up one of the hills.
Yeah, that's and he will go down there. Just go straight down.
He's practicing his forward driving, this guy.
Dad, look how deep it is. It is actually deep.
Made.
We're not going to go through that, Ethan.
Look.
Yeah. Ethan's having fun in the sun. We've got a couple other forward drivers down here. One of them stuck up a hill. We'll go back down and have a look. And we might even do some droning.
It's actually pretty hot today. Why?
Yeah, we got the LDV out in the LDV again. The T60 Trailrider. It's doing a great job. I haven't done anything extreme though.
Are we going?
Go up the hill.
No, it's too high.
Follow these tracks around and have a look. We're not going to go into the water because it does look a little bit deep.
We're jumping.
Go around here.
Ah, there's a lower track here.
This is the forward
very
drive
nice.
training tracks in the Lerderderg National Park. And let's just say it's exciting. We can go up here.
Oh, it's still high, huh? And it's scary.
Follow the line.
Make your own track here.
Follow the line of the other cars.
Oh, you can? Is the car still there? Sorry.
I'm gonna have to mount. I'm gonna have to mount something. Because honey, you can't be trusted.
Oh,
with the
okay.
food.
Because I'm looking at the views to my seat belt.
Right, so that was exciting. Now we're up in this little bit, huh? I think when we got here, we went down there.
We went up there.
Yeah.
You wanna try to go down from that hill?
No, that's where we came up. We went round that way. Do you want to do that again? I don't want to do any of these hard tracks, huh? That's where we came in, this way.
Are you sure?
Yes. Did we come in here? Or did we go around down the bottom there? I don't know either. We're going to run out of time. Now I've got this hill descent thing out, which is
Like the other car just now, Han, when it went down, did you see the wheels? It doesn't move.
Yeah.
It doesn't turn. But the car goes down like that. The other wheel goes up.
Yeah.
There's a hole here.
We came in this way, came down that road.
Really?
Just got to take it easy, go nice and slow. We just don't want to go fast. That's all. You sort of let the tyres down, which gave us a bit of traction.
Oh, there's a scratch.
Yeah, this is where we came in. We came in this road.
Okay. And you had the splash. So are we going back to the mountain or going
We'll go back to
the
those
main
guys.
road? Oh.
And then we'll turn around and go back out. just finishing up at the training track and gonna go and checked out the river. Had a bit of fun chatting with a couple other forward drive blokes. Got some good drone footage. All good. And do you want to film?
To film the
Just gonna go.
road. This way or that way? We might be going back
This
on
is the
top.
way we came in. So this will lead us back through.
Your car is all scratches. Some people cut trees here. Splash. Splash. Splash.
So these guys were going down these, so we didn't want to come down these.
Look at here. But the other man, why he bring his daughter with him?
Stuff getting dumped down here too, which is disgusting. Now we're back on the main track up. Here we are at McKenzies Flat, Lerderderg Gorge. Just checking it out.
Alright, quick, our first quick sim.